Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I have very quick and easy projects for you. There are two trash to treasure projects for you. Yes, they are trash because I'm just using household trash items. Even you are likely to find and create some high-end dupes. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to make two high-end dupes. And you're wondering how come in this global phase where the word lockdown is so common, you cannot go out of your home but yet make a high-end dupe. But yes, if you look around your home, you will find items, trash that can be turned into something beautiful. So I'm going to make trash to treasure, two DIYs. These are high-end tubes. These are look for less. Yes, I'm participating in the look for less challenge being hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door, and her co-host this month is Courtney from Decorative on the Cheap. I'll put links to both the ladies' channels in the description box of my video along with the playlist for this month for more ideas. This is a period where everybody is staying at home, cannot go out, but that cannot stop us from being creative. I went to these sites, which are pretty lovely sites with beautiful wide variety of items that they have, but they are very high range. I'm not going to spend $25, $26 on this decor items, but yes, I can make them at home using things that are lying around in my home. And that's what I love doing, picking something ordinary and turning it into beautiful and useful. And if you love such content, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit that little notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's first inspiration is this farm to table cottage decorative tag, and this is priced at $25.99 at Wayfair. This is beautiful, but I can make it. For the farm to table tag, one can use plywood, cardboard or foam board. Basically cut the shape out and paint it. If you have one of those pre-cut business card like tags which are available in the craft store, nothing like it. But if you don't have them, you can use these alternate materials and make it. I had this very stiff hard paper. It's very thicker than cardstock paper, and luckily it's painted or it's in gray color, so I'm going to use this piece. Now looking at the side, I have drawn the dimensions. It is 6.5 inches in the total height and is 3.5 inches in the breadth or the width. I'll cut these portions out and I'll get the shape of the tag. I'm also going to punch a hole here from where my jute string would come for hanging. Now I have drawn a rooster in the center. Now I'll straight away go and paint this rooster black before I do the farm to table text in white acrylic paint. Now one can even use stickers for this, or one can go to the internet and look for farm animals clip art or silhouettes, and you'll get endless supplies of them. Just have them printed out in your desired size and cut it out and stick it. I have opened the base so that I can see very clearly where I'm doing it, and I'll try to reach the hole here and punch through it. dry brushing, just very little in the brush. The final step, I've taken a jute string. I'll take the two open ends together and pass it through this hole, bring it out and take it out from this closed end, and the loop is made. Now I'll tie a knot here and the open ends. Here it's done. I started with an 8-inch string and I got the desired length of this, and here is my tag ready to decorate. I love how my farm to table cottage farmhouse looking decorative tag looks. It will look very nice in my dining room as a piece of decor. My second inspiration is again from Wayfair, and it is Let's Root for Each Other. It's a sculpture decorative piece and it is priced at $24.99 in Wayfair, and it can be made very easily at home using items that you have at home. From my pile of items that I want to send for recycling, I found this plastic jar. Now it has got a bluish green cap and a label. I'm going to put it in a hot water soap solution and clean this thing and try to take the label also out, and then we'll go ahead with it. It's almost the same size as that of the one given in my inspiration, but the only difference is the shape, but I think it will do. Now my bottle is neat and clean and ready to paint. So I'm going to take very little black, very little blue and lots of white and get the exact dull blue, pale blue color, and then paint this bottle all over the surfaces. Now as this bottle paint dries, I took a piece of old textbook paper and I marked how much size of the label that I want, which can stick easily over the surface of the bottle. All I did was I placed the bottle over the paper and drew an outline all around it, and I got this outline. My label should be smaller than this outline. Next I wrote down the words "Let's root for each other" with pencil, and I'm going to write down the text. Now I'm using two felt pens. One is a fine tip and other is a little thicker tip for writing the text. Now I'm going to tear this label just inside this boundary. I can make it a little more smaller. I'm going to use a little Mod Podge and stick this label over it. A little Mod Podge will give a nice glossy shine to this label as well as protect it. I hope you liked my today's ideas and DIYs. I just want to inspire you that we can create even in very lockdown circumstances, also using items that we have at home, in our stash, or even our trash. Creativity can't be stopped. So be positive, stay healthy, stay safe, and do let me know how you liked my today's projects in the comment section below. I'll see you very soon with few more DIYs.